Mr. Semsem was a respected and seasoned educator with years of teaching experience. He was known for his unique ability to connect with teachers and make complex ideas easy to understand. Mr. Semsem had a mission to spread the understanding of important teaching terminologies among English teachers. Every month, he visited a new school to host workshops on English language teaching, YLT Essentials. At his workshop, Mr. Semsem began with a friendly smile and an engaging question. Do you know the difference between teaching methods and techniques? He explained, an approach is the overall way we look at teaching and language learning as a whole. A method is more specific. It's the way we put our approach into practice. A technique is even more specific, usually referring to a single activity used in the classroom. Teachers listened attentively as he dived into the communicative approach. The communicative approach focuses on interaction being the main purpose of learning a language. It's about talking and listening, not just memorizing rules, he said. Mr. Semsem knew how important it was to balance the teaching of productive skills like speaking and writing with receptive skills such as reading and listening. Both sets of skills are vital, he noted. He emphasized the importance of understanding language systems such as grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, and discourse, and how they all interconnect in learning a language. Furthermore, Mr. Semsem stressed on the significance of assessment, particularly the difference between formative and summative assessments. Formative assessment is what we do during our teaching to check students' understanding and guide our lessons. Summative assessment, on the other hand, occurs at the end, evaluating students' overall performance, he explained. After every workshop, teachers came up to him with bright smiles, grateful for the clarity he provided. Thank you, Mr. Semsem, they would say. Your guidance makes all the difference in our everyday teaching. Mr. Semsem left each school feeling fulfilled, knowing that his efforts were making a positive impact on teachers and students alike. He continued his journey, one school at a time, spreading the culture of effective teaching methods across the region. Thank you.